How to do transitions on CapCut for beginners. Well, hello everybody, welcome into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can add transitions in CapCut. Well, to add transitions in CapCut, you want to begin by opening up CapCut and opening up a project. Now select at least minimum 2 particular videos there to add transition in between. So you have this. Now crop it to where you want, and now in the middle you'll get this little, so you can see I have 2 different videos here, and in the middle you can see this little white icon. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, now you'll be able to select transitions. You can select AI transitions, you can select trending, you can see classic, new. So select the transitions from here. If you do have pro, you can use pro as well. If you do not have it, you can use the free ones there, and you can check it out, and you can edit the transition timing, how long you want it. So you can tap on the transitions, and down below you can see the second. It is 0.1 second. I can increase it up to 4.9 second. It depends on the clip that you have added, how long it is. So this way you can easily do transitions on CapCut for beginners. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.